Hi guys, welcome back. Last week we reviewed Cisca LED light strip, and as mentioned last week, today we are going to review 20-meter LED strip, and that's going to be RGB. And I have a good news for you, and the good news is it's having a music sync with that RGB light. So we'll keep the Cisca and we'll open the new LED strip. And I bought this from Amazon, and the company is Portrium. Uh, Mostly it is from China. They imported and selling to us, but it's good. So let's open and see what's inside. Now you can see I unpacked the LED strip. This is connecting wire and Wi-Fi adapter and the power supply and the remote. Now let's assemble this and let's see how it works. First I connected this power adapter to the power, and now I'm going to power my Wi-Fi adapter. So I think we have some 4 power adapter. I'm connecting it, and you can see there is a arrow, so you can just match the arrow. So you can see the light is working now. Okay, we connected the first light and it's blinking, and we have to connect the second light. So how to connect the second light is we have to use this connector, and you can see there is a 2 pin here. We have to connect one pin to the end of the first LED strip. Then you can connect the second LED strips in another end, and you have to connect the power supply here. You can see now 2 LED light strips are working. Now the third one I will connect. The same way we have to connect the third one. So now you can see I connected all 4 LED. So it's little tricky, so I will tell you how to do it. So if you see closely, you can see that RGB LED and input. Input you have to connect the first strip output and the new RGB light here. So the RGB light means you have to connect the new RGB strip, and the previous strip you have to connect it here, and you have to supply it. And when you connecting it, you sometime, for example, you might get a green color. So if it is a different color, that means you connected it in a different way. So you have to just turn the pin and connect it again. So now you can see all the 4 lights are connected, and you can turn on and turn off, everything works together. Now let's see how to connect this with app, and how can we operate this with voice and also music, and I'm going to show you how to connect with my Google Hub also. Let's see how to connect this with mobile and voice control and music sync, everything. So for that you have to download first this app called Smart Life. There is a link provided in the package also, so you can find that link, or else you can directly go to Play Store and search for Smart Life. Once you open the app, you need to click on add device and lighting, and you can say light source Wi-Fi. Once it's done, make sure your light is connected to the same network. Then click next. Now the light is not blinking, so you have to reset. For reset you have to press and hold on off button for 5 seconds. So you can see now it's blinking. Now we have to confirm and give next. Now it will be searching for the device. Now it stopped blinking. I think device is getting added now. Okay, that's all. The device is added now. I am naming this device into music light. Okay, now we can see that I can turn off, turn on, and I can change the color, and we have a scene which is same like what we had in Cisca. So we have different option here. It will create different effects. And we have the music mode here. I'll talk about this music mode soon. And we have more where you have scheduler and timer. Now let's see how to connect this device with our Google Home. To add this light to our Google Home, we have to first install the app called Google Home. Then you can click on this plus icon to add a new device, setup device, works with Google. And here you can search for Smart Life. You can find the logo. Here it asks for phone number and password, but mostly we register with email ID, so you can enter your email ID also here. Now it asks for which one it is, Smart Life. You can see the music light, it appeared here. You can add to this a room, so I'm adding this to a bedroom. Now done. Now you can see our device is added here, and you can see here you can go and change the color. Also you can turn on, turn off using Google Home also, or you can use a voice command. For example, my hub is also now connected. I can tell my hub, hey Google, turn off the light. Hey Google, turn on the light. Change light color to red. Let's see how this music sync works. For music sync, you have to open this app and you have to go to this option, music, and after that press start. Now what will happen is this app will listen to the surrounding noise, and based on the noise it changes the color. So it's that simple it works, but there is a small lag. So I'm playing the song and keeping the mobile nearby. You can see there is a small delay, and same delay is there in Philips also. So this is very cool. You get it for only 4,600. Also you can play the music from your mobile also. It will, so you can control this. So yeah, you can turn on, turn off, you can select the colors. Okay, and here also you can have that scene controls you have, and you have a timer here, and also some preset music rhythms are there. And I don't think if you have a voice control this is needed, but this is also very cool and it works fine. Yeah. Hi guys, thanks for watching. And many people are asking about the installation. I'm doing this installation next month first week, so hopefully I will post the video by next month second week. And for this also, for installation, it's very simple. You can use the 3M sticker. There is a double side sticker. You just have to remove the sticker and stick it in any surface you want. So it's that simple. Anyway, I will do the installation and I will post my next video. Also, I will be talking about the smart fans and the smart plug. So you can convert any plug in your home into a smart plug, and also you can control the fan speed, and you can reduce the brightness of the LED lights through the smart plug. So I will be soon reviewing all those things. So keep following and subscribing and supporting me. Thank you.